Hello everyone, my name is Wisal, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and set up Radium on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the bot commands section and search for invite key. Look for the command called generate invite key for Radium, which has a blue icon. Open it and generate your invite key. If you don't already have an account, a unique key will appear. Copy that key because you'll need it during registration. Next, go to the How to Register section. Above the account registration instructions, click the registration link to open the Radium sign-up page. Now return to the bot commands section, copy the invite key you generated, and paste it into the invite key field on the registration page. After that, create your account by choosing a username between 3 and 20 characters, creating a secure password, confirming the same password, and entering your correct date of birth. Once everything is filled in, click Register. When your account has been created, go to the Steam and PC section and click Download. This will take you to Google Drive. Click Download, then confirm the download again if prompted. Wait for the file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, double-click the file to launch the installer. Then click Start to begin the installation. Before opening Radium for the first time, make sure Steam is already running and that you're logged into your Steam account. Since Radium uses Steam to identify your player profile, on your first launch, select Sign in to existing account. Then enter the account details you created earlier and sign in. That's it! You're now ready to use Radium. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out my other videos for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching. My name is Askin, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.